Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day wherever you are, and today's video is another makeup subscription box unboxing video for you because I love doing these. So today's video is on the Kinder Beauty box for December 2019. They are sponsoring today's video, but these are my own personal opinions, so we're just going to give my first impressions, open up the box, see what I think about the products inside, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright guys, before we get started, all makeup on this channel is cruelty free and so is Kinder Beauty box. Also, they have clean products in here as well as vegan products, so everything in here is vegan as well, if that matters to you, which is mattering to a lot more and more people. I'm personally a cruelty free channel, so I'm glad to see something cruelty free and vegan be a subscription box. Now let me tell you a little bit about the box just in case you are unfamiliar with it, because it's an up and coming box which I've had really good luck with so far. I know a lot of you guys have bought it too and really like it. So this box is $24 a month with at least a $75 value up to $165 value. This month's box is $92.50 worth of value in here for 24 bucks, which is a really good deal. Also, you may know the co-founders of this brand, Ivana Lynch and Daniela Monet, who are also like actresses that I've seen in shows before, and I know you guys have too. So yeah, if you want to know anything more about this box, everything is cruelty-free, vegan. Even the box is made of recyclable materials, it's biodegradable, it's compostable. Like, they really thought these things out to be a really good eco-friendly box as well as cruelty-free. So a portion of the proceeds do go to animal rights causes, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty guys, so this is the box. It comes in this cute little box. I like that it's brown, it makes it feel more natural, you know? And, ooh, I haven't sneak peeked or anything yet. First impressions for real. So in here we have a little card. This is Kinder Beauty box. This has a texture to it. It has like a fun texture to it. So it says up to $165 value. Plant this seed paper. It's seed paper. That's why it feels so cool. Look. Huh? It feels funny. It's seed paper. I've never even had that before. So in here we have a little card that tells us about the products as well as the retail prices. I will also leave the retail prices of these items on the screen for you. I like the color of this card. This one looks cool. Anyways, let's move on to inside the box. Okay, I'm going for this big thing first. Yeah, I just spit. So this is a hair go away. Oh, it's like a little headband. It has poopers on it. It's the puppers. Can we see? It's puppers. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. How to be a unicorn or a bunny. So you can tie it different ways. You can tie it to be a unicorn, you can tie it to be a bunny. And it's like, it holds its shape. Like, that's really cool. So this is the headband. It's holographic, which is really pretty. Let me see how much this retails for. This Hollow Glow hair wrap retails for $18. I like that it holds its shape. Like, that's really cool. I'm sorry about the crinkly sound. Well, this is really cute, and this is the first thing. Next up in here is a raw organic. I've had one of these before. It actually worked pretty good. Like, I'm a little bit scared of some facial wipes because I have really sensitive skin, and this box doesn't advertise as being like for people with sensitive skin, but every product I've had in here that I've tried on my face never really broke me out or gave me really irritation and stuff. So I feel like these kind of clean vegan products are really good for sensitive skin like myself. So this is a raw organic face wipe with organic aloe vera and green tea. There's one wipe in here. I'm going to stick this in my makeup bag so I have like a single thing. So it removes waterproof mascara made from 100% organic cotton, and it's biodegradable. Really good, because I know that makeup wipes are like really bad for the environment, but I love a makeup wipe. So I feel bad about it sometimes, but at least that one's biodegradable. I feel like we're going through this really fast. Anyways, this is the next thing in here. It appears to be a balm for the bath. So this is the Kind Poppy. I've had one of these before. I've had a lavender one. It was like a purple wrapped one. It was like a lavender. The Kind Poppy Frosted Clementine. Ooh, it is vegan, cruelty free, compostable packaging, and handcrafted in Tennessee. I want to smell it, but I also don't want to open it. Adam loves bath bombs, so I give it him. Every time I get a bath bomb, I give them to him because, like, when he gets sore muscles from like carrying a chainsaw, doing haunting stuff, or whatever, working with animals all day, I like to give him a bath bomb. He can just kind of soak in there and like relax. Ooh, it's a very light fragrance. It smells good. It's not like a super overwhelming smell, which I'm glad, because sometimes when you open up a box of things that has a bath bomb in it, it's like whoosh, like lush, you know. This one has a very light fragrance, and this is the next one in here, and it has like a little holiday tag, and this is the December box, so that's pretty good. Also, this would make a great gift in like a stocking stuffer. Are you kidding me? That'd be good. Next up in here is it a lip product? It is a lip product. So this is a Lip Love, vegan, cruelty-free, and plant-based. I don't know why I couldn't say that. It's not a lipstick or a lip gloss. That's mysterious. This is the color. I'm gonna swatch it because if it's not a lipstick or a lip gloss, what is it? So, I don't know what this is. I mean, it looks very glossy, right? I'm gonna leave it on my hand, see if it dries down. I'm gonna put a little bit more up here for like some more color. There's like little, yeah, there's like a little bit of glitter reflect, but very lightly. So if it's a Lip Love, okay, I need to read the description of this one because it's not a lipstick or a lip gloss. I need an explanation. Oh, it is. It's a Lip Love gloss. Okay, it's not a lip gloss, it's a love gloss. Okay, so this is in the shade either got Sahara or Coffee in this month's box, and I think I got Coffee. It's not a lipstick or a lip gloss, it's a Lip Love. It's a multi-purpose beauty product. This will actually, like, I know it's sticky and stuff, but you ever see those editorial eye looks on Instagram? They're like kind of glossy lids. That'd be a good one for that. But this is it, and it retails for $16. Our raw wipe retails, oh, that doesn't have a retail price individually. And then our balm retails for $6.50. And look at this cool pattern. Since I didn't open it up, I want to show you the cool pattern. It looks really cool. It looks like a dessert. Alright, and we have one more thing in our little box here full of little papers. So this is a Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. We have a little bit of paper dust on it here. It's a hydrate and protect. I've been using the Smashbox primer oil lately, and it kind of reminds me of like these little serums and stuff. So this is the Dirty Lamb serum. This retails for $52. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So you apply 2 or 3 drops before bed, warming between your palms and hands, your face, and neck. So it is her high antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils to keep your skin hydrated through the night. Wheat germ oil is nature's powerhouse of vitamin E that will bring liveliness to your night skin. Sweet dreams are on the way with a hint of lavender. Oh, there's a lot of like ingredients in here. Can we see the ingredients? It's a lot. So this retails for $52, which is a lot, but if it's a handcrafted product, I do understand. It is a whole fluid ounce. It's not like it's half an ounce or anything. Do you want to look like you had 8 hours of sleep? So this thing is said, and I'm like, yes. Usually I get 4. Anyways, let's go over everything that we got in the box this month. So the first thing is this night serum from the Dirty Lamb. We also have a facial wipe, which I'm totally gonna stick in my makeup bag because like single wipes are really good. But I don't want to buy those Neutrogena ones that are like individually packaged a million times. I feel like such waste, and I don't think they're cruelty free. Next up is a Lip Love it's a love gloss, not a lip gloss. We have a seed paper. That's pretty cool. I want to try this out because I feel like if I put this in there, people would be like, what are you doing? But it might be fun. We also have a little bath balm from the Kind Poppy, which I've heard great things about, and I've used the purple one before. And then we have the little hair wrap here, which is bendable. That is the perfect stocking stuffer. Like, you can't tell me that. It's not. It's perfect. Anyways, you guys, that is it for the Kinder Beauty box this month. Let me know what you think. My favorite thing is like this, because I like an individual makeup wipe. This is super fun. I think Adam's going to love the bath balm. The night serum, I want to try. I'm going to smell it. Let me smell it first. It smells organic. It says there's a hint of lavender in here. I don't really smell the hint of lavender. It just kind of smells clean. And this looks pretty glossy. So if you're into glosses, it's a pretty good, like, nice sheen with a baby bit of color, too, if you're into that. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave Kinder Beauty box link to the top description box for you if you want to check them out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.